Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question. 128 minus 8 multiply. Now in the parenthesis 9 minus 5. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly. But before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video right now and comment your solution step by step. Okay. I am personally scoring every comment out of 10. So now let's see who get a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay. Before comment, you can check your answer by play this video. Okay. So now let's solve this question correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now first priority is parenthesis, so solve this parenthesis first. Okay. So is equal to 128 minus 8. Now solve this parenthesis. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So multiply 4. Now here one subtraction and here one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So is equal to 128 minus, now solve this multiplication, 8 multiply 4 to 32. Now 128 minus 32 is equal to 96. Okay, so the correct answer is 96. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.